So I just checked out the forecast for tomorrow and it seems like there's some wind. Even though it's freezing and snowing outside, I want to go for a little session, maybe from about like 20 minutes, and hopefully I'll land some tricks. So we stopped surfing after about 40 minutes because it was way too cold and our hands were frozen. Even our boom was frozen, so every time when we did like a trick, our hands just slipped away. So the next day I went for another session, which I will show you right now. So as you can see, my sail and board are completely frozen. It's still freezing outside, but I had a nice session and I want to do it again next time. Hopefully some snow again, and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video because we went through a lot of things to make this video. We want to do things like this in the future, so stay tuned and see you next time.